Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of chocolate brownie. So friends, in my last video of brownie, that ingredients involve condensed milk, cocoa powder. So many of my friends came up with they could not find condensed milk in this lockdown. So I am here with a brand new recipe, a very authentic way of cooking this brownie, but it is not eggless. It will include egg. If you will remove condensed milk, you have to include egg, and this recipe is a bit different. It will not include your cocoa powder, it will not include condensed milk. So it's an authentic way of baking your brownie. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to introduce all those ingredients. So here 200 grams of powdered sugar, 300 grams of dark chocolate, 115 grams of butter, then 150 grams of all purpose flour, that is 150 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 3 normal size eggs. So in the description I would describe the measurement. So now I am going to melt butter and chocolate separately. So you can see the chocolate has been melted and the butter is also melted. So we will keep it aside so that it will come to the room temperature. In the meanwhile, let's start the process of beating the eggs first. So we are taking a bowl. Into this, one by one, I am going to add the eggs. So friend, this is a very simple recipe of brownie and it's a very authentic method. Now with the help of a hand whisker, we would mix all those eggs. Just we have to beat the eggs till the egg whites and yolks are dissolved completely. We do not have to overbeat it because we do not want egg to be more fluffy. It should be a bit fudgy like brownie. It should not rise like a cake. So now once it's beaten, we are going to add powdered sugar and we will mix eggs and sugar. So now into this I am going to add melted butter and mix it. After then we will add melted chocolate. I'm scraping out all those chocolates from the walls of the bowl. So now mix it all together. Due to chocolate, you will find a bit thickness while whisking it. So that's completely fine. Don't worry about that. Just make sure that all those ingredients are mixed very nicely. Now into this I am going to add all purpose flour, and then as a thumb rule, mix it in a one direction. So now scraping out all the sides and then again mixing it. So now into this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then again mixing it. So now you see the consistency of the batter. It's a bit thick consistency. It is flowy consistency but not as flowy as cake mixture, so it should be a bit thick batter. Now I'm going to grease my, so make sure that all the corners must be greased. So now I'm going to dust it with some all-purpose flour. So here also you make sure that all those corners and sides are well greased and dusted. You can definitely use parchment paper. So now I will pour the brownie batter into this tin. So I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now this batter will go inside the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Now after 35 minutes our brownie is ready and you can see some crinkle at the top and it has been bit synced from the middle, so that is completely fine, as I have shown in my last video also, which was the eggless brownie. So now I have inserted one toothpick and you can see it has came out with a bit of crumbs on it, so that is completely okay, don't worry for that. Now I am going to cut this brownie into square pieces. So first of all, running my knife through all the corners, because at the corners sometimes the batter is stick. So if you can see, now I will cut it into the square pieces. So friends, you can see brownie is ready and there is a good crinkle at the top. Now I am going to put it on the serving tray. Now friends, here I am having some white chocolate which I have melted, and I will drizzle the white chocolate on my chocolate brownie. So now you can see how yum this look, and I hope you have liked this video and you will try this recipe. This is not an eggless recipe. The eggless recipe I will put the link in the description box. You can try this one also. There is no big difference in both of the recipe. Also, please subscribe to my channel for further more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.